Hi, my name is Ibby and I'm from Henrietta Charcoal Chicken in Surry Hills. Today, I'm cooking for you guys our take on buffalo wing with harissa sauce and blue cheese. We use harissa in the Middle Eastern cooking a lot. It's very tasty. It stores really well in the fridge. You can make it once a week and then you can use it with anything that you like. So the first thing we need to do is obviously slice a chili and de-seed the seeds from it because otherwise it might be too much. We also need some acidity. Just gonna squeeze some lemons. Now that you have your chilies, you have your garlic, put it in any domestic blender and blend it away. It's now starting to become a paste. What I'm going to do now is add some lemon juice, oregano, pepper and salt and blend it for a bit longer. For our recipe today, it's a very basic harissa chili sauce, not too spicy because you don't want it to take away from the blue cheese. The next step to make this dish is to make the blue cheese sauce. We need to start by sauteing some shallots with some olive oil. I'm going to chop up the blue cheese. As soon as we see that the shallots are caramelizing, deglaze the pan with white wine. It's a French technique and it will add to the flavor of the cream sauce. Add the blue cheese to melt it away. And as the blue cheese melts, we add a bit of cream and then we just need to reduce. Add as much or as little of the harissa sauce to your liking, just to make sure that the flavors complement one another. Amazing. We need to make sure that the chicken is covered with the flour because we want it to reserve all its moisture, but it also has got to be crispy on the outside. Now that the chicken is coated with flour, it's ready to go in the fryer. My preferred temperature is 160 degrees for about 8 minutes or so, just enough time to cook it all the way and make sure it's crispy on the outside. Now I'm putting the blue cheese harissa sauce on my chicken wings. I would be very generous with this. Voila, we got our chicken wings with harissa and blue cheese sauce. Everyone loves chili sauce and I hope you enjoy this one.